In Parshas Kiseitze, we learn about the mitzvah of Shiluach HaKen. The Torah says, Shaleach v'shalach esaim. Esabonim tikach lach. Send the mother away, and then you may take the young for yourself. And the Torah promises an amazing reward. Leman yitavrach ve'arachta yamim. Longevity. An extension to life. Lengthening of days. What is the measure for measure in this reward? Explain, my dear friend, by David Shlita. By sending the mother away, you're sparing her from a tremendous sorrow and pain. If she would have seen you taking the young away, she may have died. And therefore, with the fact that you're sending her away, you're in essence extending her life. You're giving her extra days. Measure for measure, you get extra days. And with that, it's beautiful to see the pasuk in Mishlei, Utzdaka tasin mimaves. Tzedakah saves from death. It doesn't say tzedakah extends your life. It saves from death. Why? Because it's so perfect. It's measure for measure. If you didn't give the poor person something to eat, may have died. You saved him from death. You will be saved from death. But with the bird, you extend her life, and therefore you will get an extension of life.